Why buy that when you could buy a $40 bear?
Well, I haven't thought this through, but we're about to figure out what's going on.
Is that why I'm here? Because I've done this?
Yeah, pretty much. So what is going on, guys? This is going to be a do-it-yourself video, except there's going to be 3 people doing it. So what we're doing is, obviously you can see it's the laminate flooring and for your trunk. So we're going to Home Depot right now. We're going to see, I think I might do like a brown wood because I have a white car.
What they literally do is they
just connect.
Snap together.
Okay, let's just build the whole car out of this.
No.
Yeah, they're free. Oh my god, that's $40.
There's like, it's bigger than you.
Alright, so the question is either this wood right here or that wood. But I think that one or that one. Or the, I don't know, it's either. Can Home Depot sponsor me? The guy just said that there's more on aisle 7. All this wood. So much wood. Alright, so they didn't have that flooring available because you have to special order it. I'm not trying to drop like $80 on this, so I'm going with either this one here, which is like this brown, this darker brown, or that light brown. But honestly, this looks like the right way to go. Alright, these boys are backs. We out. Sure you can hold that much weight? That's a lot of wood. A lot of wood for a little guy. Alright, so we just got that, and this video will probably be finished in like a few more weeks because I don't have a jigsaw. Lang has a jigsaw, and he's going to Costa Rica right now, so I'm not going to have one to use. So, alright guys, so it has been about 3 weeks later, no, a week later since we are now working on the wood. And I've made quite a few videos since then. But right now what we're going to do, we took my floor mat out. Right underneath, and we're gonna trace so we can cut it out perfectly. Alright, good. Don't worry.
Four! Wait, how do you do it backwards? 5. Shit, I fucked it up.
That's a 2. That's a 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's gonna be there forever.
It's on the underside though, you never see it.
You don't know that. Alright, so we just finished tracing it, and it's at 12 o'clock. So we're gonna see you bright and early tomorrow morning while we get ready to cut this trunk. Sign it. Sign your. That's great, Lang. That's half a ball, and this is great.
It's okay.
It's gonna be on my trunk and wood forever.
You'll remember me forever. What's the date?
Forever.
January 31st.
Today's date?
Oh, well.
January? No! Wait! No, it's January 31st still, you're right. It goes January, February.
January.
That, oh my god.
It took us a month to fix it.
It goes
no, it's gonna take a month to do this, so don't even give me that. We'll see you in March.
Oh god. Oh god. It's late.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow. It'll just blame it's late. Alright guys, so it is like 7 in the morning right now. He's got to Lang's house and I go, yo, look what just came in the mail. He goes, front lip? I go, no, it's not. It was a joke, but it was funny because, you know, front lip's not gonna fit in here. So anyway, I think he's finishing my wood right now. Looks okay. So I'm gonna open my trunk. We're gonna get that cleared out. These are my new. I got more red lights because, you know, you can't have enough red lights. Go check that video. But better have a nice wood trunk. You're all done already?
That's right.
He was cutting one and I was like, wait, so how many you have done? He's like, no, I just finished. I was like, oh great, there goes all my wood. You broke it.
Oh no, your seat was down when we traced it.
Technical difficulties, please stand by.
Please hold. Oh look, it's almost done before March.
Yeah, somehow today's still not March and it looks like it's gonna be done.
Oh, it could have fooled me.
Just finished the trunk. He did, kinda. It took a while. We had a lot of like little pieces to cut on the edge. So now we're just like kind of cleaning it, making it look all pretty.
Nice and tight. We like to get it good and tight.
But we have 4 pieces left, so I do have an idea. So we just did the trunk. I have to like clean my trunk out because I have all this shit in here. But we had extra wood and we still have extra wood, so we ended up doing
lifestyles of the rich and famous.
wood backs. and it looks pretty. You can't really. It's not like focusing well. But yeah, it looks pretty cool, especially like from up here.
You better focus on your wood.
But yeah, so I think that might be it for today, just because he has to go, and well, upholstery time. Yep, he's got to do. He has to do his car.
Too.
Do we?
Like the passenger side, I wouldn't do this side.
I don't think we can do my side. All right, maybe we'll do the passenger side.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's it for today. And,
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Now, I think this is the end of the video. They'll see it in the next video I post. Yeah. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. What? Yeah, I know. That's why I have those mats. So thank you guys for watching. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more do-it-yourself videos for my BMW 535. So definitely subscribe. Definitely subscribe if you want to see that. And we're also going to be doing a 3 series. And as of right now, that's it. But yeah, if you definitely want to see more, I have so many more videos planned for this car. So definitely stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.